tired of running out of battery on your laptop or devices while traveling, camping, or during emergencies? Today, I'm reviewing the Krisdonia Power Bank with AC outlet, a massive 80,000 mAh portable charger that promises to keep all your gear powered up. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the built-in 130 watts wall outlet. This feature allows you to plug in any standard AC device, from laptops to drones, cameras, and even small appliances. It's a game changer for off-grid situations. The power bank has a rugged aluminum alloy shell that feels durable and premium. The built-in LED screen shows the exact remaining battery percentage, so you always know how much juice is left. Now let's talk about charging speed. The USB-C port supports 100-watt, two-way fast charging. In my tests, it fully charged a MacBook Pro 16-inch in just 1.5 hours. That's impressive. For USB-C laptops, this is a reliable power source. Recharging the power bank itself takes about 5 to 6 hours via the DC-in port or USB-C port. But here's a cool feature. You can also recharge it using a car socket or 18 to 23 volt solar panels. That makes it perfect for extended off-grid adventures. The capacity is huge, 80,000 mAh. That means you can charge a MacBook Pro 16-inch twice, a DJI Mavic Mini 11 to 12 times, or an iPhone 14 Pro Max 13-14 times. It's a beast. Despite its capacity, it's compact at 6.5D by 5.98 by 2.24 inches and weighs 4.8 pounds. It comes with a travel bag for easy carrying. The package includes the power bank, a 19-volt charger, a conversion plug, USB-C to C cable, USB-A to C cable, a multifunction bag, and a user manual. Plus, you get a 12-month warranty and friendly customer service. I used this power bank during a recent camping trip, and it powered my laptop, phone, and LED lights effortlessly. The AC outlet is a real convenience, as I could charge my camera batteries without needing a separate adapter. One thing to note, the power bank is not airline approved due to its size, so keep that in mind if you plan to fly. Also, it's a bit heavy, but that's expected for this capacity. Overall, the Krisdonia Power Bank with AC outlet is an excellent investment for anyone who needs reliable portable power. It's well built, efficient, and versatile. If you're a digital nomad, camper, or just someone who wants peace of mind during power outages, this is a solid choice. I've included a link in the description where you can get this power bank. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.